XRP Ripple coin holders, where are you, my friends? And hope you have a good day, my friends. How are you? Tell me in the comment box how do you feel today about XRP? And my friends, in this video I'm talking about the warning. You know what, today XRP warned us because now today the very bad crash occurred in the XRP Ripple coin. How we can save ourselves from losing this video, I will show you, my friends. Just keep watching this video, my friends. At this time, my friends, you know what, the price change occur in the XRP Ripple coin is very negative. They warn us, my friends. From the yesterday the price is going down, but now in the last 60 minutes everything is fine. And the last 60 minutes, my friends, last 60 minutes its pricing is positive 5.81%. And if you look the further more about XRP Ripple coin, so the last one day in last 1 week pricing of the XRP Ripple coin is negative. My friends, please my friends, I request everyone to please click the subscribe button and also like this video. If you subscribe my channel, so you will get the latest update about XRP Ripple coin. Believe me, my friends. And the currently price of the XRP Ripple coin is 0.587602 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the XRP Ripple coin. My friends, as I told you in the start of this video that XRP Ripple coin warned us from the previous last 1 week. Warning, they give us warning day by day, minute by minute. But now in the last 60 minutes, as you can see here, my friends, from this price chart, that's also clear, my friends. Just look on the previous time changes of the XRP Ripple coin, the latest changes. Just look on the price chart, my friends. That's clear that now this time the time of the XRP Ripple coin is start now, and this time every change is positive. You can see here in the latest change, I'm talking about the latest changes. The latest change is going positive, so maybe, my friends, there is a chances to they continue this jump for a long time, my friends. Anything what you think about XRP Ripple coin future, please also share in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.